If you've been researching medications for weight loss or type 2 diabetes, you've probably come across three of the most talked about options: Ozempic, Mounjaro, and Wegovy. They may seem very similar, but they have important differences in how they work, who they're approved for, and the results people may experience. So, which one is the very best in 2026? In this comparison, we'll break down the key differences to help you better understand each medication. Let's get started. First, let's talk about Ozempic. Ozempic contains the active ingredient semaglutide and is approved to help adults with type 2 diabetes improve blood sugar control. Many people also experience weight loss while taking it, although weight loss is not its primary approved use in most countries. Next is Wegovy. Wegovy also contains semaglutide, but it's specifically approved for chronic weight management in eligible adults and, in some regions, certain adolescents. Because it contains higher maintenance doses than Ozempic, Wegovy is designed specifically for people whose primary goal is weight loss, alongside diet and exercise. Now, let's look at Mounjaro. Mounjaro contains tirzepatide, which works differently from semaglutide. Instead of targeting only the GLP-1 receptor, it activates both the GLP-1 and GIP receptors. This dual-action approach may lead to greater improvements in blood sugar control and, for many patients, greater average weight loss compared with GLP-1 medications alone. All three medications are given as a once-weekly injection. Patients gradually increase the dose over several weeks to help reduce side effects and allow the body to adjust to the medication. When it comes to weight loss, clinical studies have shown impressive results for all three medications. On average, Wegovy has produced significant weight loss in people with obesity or overweight, while Mounjaro has demonstrated even greater average weight loss results in several head-to-head and clinical studies. However, individual results vary based on lifestyle, dosage, and personal response to treatment. Like any prescription medication, these treatments can cause side effects. The most common include nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, constipation, stomach discomfort, and reduced appetite. These symptoms are often more noticeable when starting treatment or increasing the dose, but they improve for many people over time. These medications are not suitable for everyone. Your doctor will consider your medical history, current health conditions, other medications, and treatment goals before deciding which option is most appropriate. They should only be used under the supervision of a qualified healthcare professional. Cost and insurance coverage are also important factors. Depending on where you live, one medication may be easier to access or more affordable than another. Insurance plans and national healthcare systems often have different eligibility requirements. So, which one is the very best? There isn't a single answer for everyone. If your primary goal is managing type 2 diabetes, Ozempic or Mounjaro may be appropriate depending on your doctor's recommendation. If your main goal is long-term weight management, Wegovy was specifically developed for that purpose, while Mounjaro has shown particularly strong weight loss results in clinical research, where approved for weight management. Ultimately, the best medication is the one your healthcare provider determines is safest and most effective for your individual needs. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below sharing which medication you'd like to learn more about.